And welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing so good. So in this video I'm going to teach you, I'm going to show you how you can make $600 by doing cloud mining. So which is one of the best way to make money online wherever you are sitting at a home. An ultimate dream if you're going to sit at home, and if you're going to make a lot of money from home, that is going to be really a good way in my opinion. So what you think about all these things, you should comment below down this video. So in this video we are going to talk about Mindbest.city. So first you have to put your uh, home paste. You have to do, just wait and more. So you can see all these things. So you have to put your mobile number, then login password, then you have to put all these things. I have already done this, so directly I'm going to do login. So you can see S367. I'm going to click on why this is not a 5 in my opinion. So let me do again EH18. I'm going to put now, again clicking on the login. Just wait and watch. And so here you can see I have logged in successfully. So now what I'm going to show you, so you can see this is a very new website in my opinion. So this is going to be one of the best website in my opinion. So what you think about all this thing, you should comment below down this video. So first you have to click on the deposit. After clicking on this deposit, you have to copy this. While copying, you have to come to Tron Pro link. After coming to Tron Pro link, I'm going to deposit 5 TRX, and after clicking here you can see I'm doing all this in next 5 TRX I'm going to submit, and they are going to take as 1.1 TRX as a fee, and that I don't like. In a day I am paying around 100 TRX as a fee, and that is not going to be good for myself. So you can see the money is deducted from here. It's pending, sorry for that. So you can see the money is deducted, and I got the notification also. Now I have to come here and I have to click on I have deposited. It's going to take little bit, yeah, not, they are too good in my opinion. So you can see daily you are going to get a plus 25. Weekly I am going to get 2.04. Monthly I am going to get 16.61. 1 TRX I am $1 I am going to make with 5 TRX. So it's going to be really good. Withdrawal also I am going to show you, but that is the best part of this video. So if you are going to click on the withdrawal, you can withdraw your whole amount of money, how much you have deposited. So if you click on the conversion, if you want to change your mining account to referral account, and I can do all that thing. So you can see if you click on the team and all, you can see level 1, level 2, level 3, these all are going to be too good. Profit, if you say I have made 5 TX, they are also showing. So if you come little bit down, you can see the price of Tron is really good in my opinion. So if you click on this mining, you can see earn every month more than 40% of this, and you can see this amount is really good. And also you can see they are going to pay me really good, and they are going to be too good. So you can see they have the frequently asked questions, and also how does it like today, how can I trust on my TRX. So these all are the normal things. So how much ever if you are going to invest, say like if you are going to invest 30,000 TRX in a month, then you are going to make in a month $8,000, and that is going to be too big number. So again, if you click on these languages, you can change. If you click on the notification, you can see submit receipt, and also here you can see IP record and all they have, and if you can make your team, and also these all are going to be really good in my opinion. So what you think about all this thing, you should comment below. If you click on this notification, you can see there will be a little bit notification about the company in my opinion. So what you think about all this thing, you should comment below down this video. So you have to just wait and watch. So if you click on this earn more with our referral program, they have their referral program also. If you are going to share your link on your videos like at YouTube, TikTok, Meta, like Facebook, Twitter and all everywhere, then you are going to make really good amount of money in my opinion. So you can see they have a lot of things. You can see I already show you most of the things. So what you think about all this thing, you have to comment below down this video. Now I'm going to show you how we can withdraw. So first you have to click here, then you have to click on the withdrawal. So wallet address they need. For all wallet address, I have to come here, I have to click on this, then I have to copy this. While copying this, I have to come here, I have to put it there, and then after that I'm going to put, after that I'm going to put how much I want to put. I want to put 5 TRX. So after doing all that, you can see I can click on the submit. After clicking, withdrawal limit exceed. So just wait and watch. Just wait and, so in front of you, you can see showing success, the whole amount how much I have deposited, that much they can withdraw, I can withdraw. You can see I have received my 5 TRX. You can't imagine also how good and how fast they are too good, they are too very good in my opinion. So if you want to invest really here, you can use my link I'm going to put on my description. I hope you like this video, and yeah, if you love this video, you can hit that subscribe button, and yeah, we'll meet on next video. Till then, bye, love you everyone. And last thing, if you want to join their telegram, you can join it from here. So I love you.